Most business owners are sitting on a gold mine and they don't even realize it. And it's not because of their products or the services that they offer. It's literally the space that they pay for every single month. Now it's time for it to finally pay you. One of the major problems that we're starting to see when it comes to brick and mortar businesses is cash flow. Cash flow are low. I mean, to the point where the economy is going up. You can still be getting more clients. You can still be getting more business. But at the end of the day, with the economy, with the inflation, with all of those things above, it's really hurting the cash flow with your business. And you got to make a decision. Do I got to sit here and make my price go up higher? And then the price might determine the clientele's. So there's so many different factors that happen. But what if you didn't have to do that? What if you didn't have to sacrifice the price point to be able to make more money? You literally are sitting on something that's generating cash for a lot of other businesses. Think about it. When people are having concerts, they need space. When people are having workshops, they need space. Corporate events, networking events, weddings, they all need space. Guess one thing that you got in common, and this is for the business owner that's hearing me right now. You have space. You just don't utilize your space to make money. About 92% of businesses do not use their space to make money. So, how can you make money? That's probably what you're thinking. Well, let's look at it like this. You can make money by allowing somebody literally to use your space for a meeting, right? If I decided to have a meeting and you created a profile on Venue to Go, I can literally go on Venue to Go and look at what hours you're available, what days you're available, and what type of events do you have. This really makes it streamlined. So I know the question in your head, trust me, I done talked to so many business owners. Well, why should I use Venue to Go when I could go do it myself? Well, if you choose to go make another job, go ahead, add it. I don't know a lot of people that like the idea of working multiple jobs. And you shouldn't create a business to work a job, especially not two. So why not just spend a couple minutes to be able to create your profile? And as soon as somebody wants to be able to utilize your space, they pay you. They literally pay you for that. So I'm hoping that I'm hitting something to make you think. I promise we got the answer. Is so the next thing that we want to see and talk about, what type of events can you allow somebody to do? Well, I mean, think about it. If you got a coffee shop, we could do poetry events, we could do networking events, I could create my own event and just do a coffee tasting for my liking. And at the end of the day, this is the benefit for you as the business owner. If I decided to have an event at your business and decided to bring 20 people in the door, that's 20 people that I got paid to have inside of my establishment. What do you do with that? You make them a loyal customer. You figure out a way to allow them to try your product or sell your product to be able to sit here and come back again. Because you literally are getting paid for them to come visit your space. This is way different than anything that you have seen when you think about an event space. Because the thing here, we don't even allow event spaces in here. So this is tremendously and very isolated for the brick and mortar businesses. That's what we do here at Venue to Go. So I'm hoping that this really helps you out by any means necessary. I'm going to be making a lot more videos, giving you a lot more tips and a lot more experiences that we have. I done created so many events at Venue to Go spaces, seen some other people do it, and I'm going to give you all the game of what you could do. And if you're an entrepreneur and you're looking to sit here and make another stream of income, I am going to show you how I sit here and make thousands of dollars for doing events as well. So if you're interested by any means necessary, make sure you hit the like and subscribe and leave a comment what other questions that you might have. And I'll make sure I'll definitely reply back to you. But once again, I definitely appreciate you checking out this channel and make sure you sit here and be tuned in for the next episode.
Now, roll the drums.